In front of me is OPPO A96, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So firstly, open your phone dialer, and we'll go with the quickest method of locating those numbers first. So just open your phone dialer and enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here you've got IMEI numbers, tap on OK, and then you can also reach IMEIs along with serial numbers via settings. So first of all, just reach the settings, then find and select about phone, and now locate status. And here you will be able to read both IMEI numbers and also serial number. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.